Hello, I know you've been avoiding this call. I know starting over sounds terrifying, like admitting the path that you've been on, the one you invested so much into, wasn't the right one, and your brain keeps telling you that's failure, that you should have known better, that it's too late now anyway. But can I tell you what I actually see? I see someone who is brave enough to be honest with themselves. That is rarer than you think. Most people never gets there. They keep going down the wrong road because turning back feels worse than staying lost. You're not lost. You're just standing at the beginning of something you don't recognize yet. Yes, it's going to be uncomfortable. Yes, people are going to have opinions. Yes, there will be days where you wonder if you made a mistake, but there will also be a day, not too far from now, where you wake up and realize you can breathe again. And that's building something that actually fits you. That day is worth the discomfort. Start over as many times as you need to. I'll be here every time.